In 2005, SemiLEDs Corp emerged from a tiny lab where founder Trung Doan imagined a future lit not by ordinary LEDs, but by high-efficiency blue and ultraviolet semiconductors that could change industries. It began as a question: what if light could be smarter, cleaner, infinitely brighter? The company started with only a handful of engineers, soldering dreams onto tiny wafers, believing light could power progress. Their LEDs reduced energy waste while delivering intense illumination, and slowly the industry noticed a spark that refused to dim. What began as one room grew into research floors, production lines, international clients. Factories expanded, patents rolled in, and semi-LEDs stood out as the small name challenging giants through raw innovation, clever engineering, and relentless pursuit of efficiency. As demand for high-brightness LEDs surged in healthcare, manufacturing, and UV-based sterilization, semi-LEDs became a trusted supplier. Investors saw dedication, customers saw reliability, and a company once unknown began shaping markets that depended on precision light. Engineers multiplied, research labs widened, equipment upgraded each quarter, and the identity of semi-LEDs became tied to experimentation, thermal performance breakthroughs, and durability unmatched by traditional LED alternatives across industrial applications. Innovation wasn't occasional, it was culture. The team treated every diode like a chance to outperform yesterday, turning microchips into beams of possibility. This mindset attracted partners, funding, and global attention, placing semi-LEDs firmly on the map. And now a new chapter unfolds: the era of artificial intelligence. Semi-LEDs integrates AI into manufacturing lines, predicting defects before they occur, increasing wafer yield, cutting waste, and speeding production with machine learning at its core. AI-driven automation optimizes testing cycles, selects best-performing materials, and analyzes thermal stress in real time. Every decision becomes faster, smarter, and more accurate, enhancing output while saving time and operational cost. Predictive analytics forecast market needs, helping semi-LEDs design next-gen lighting solutions ahead of competitors. Automated workflows accelerate prototyping and scale production with fewer errors, boosting long-term efficiency. These advancements don't just improve factory floors, they build confidence. A company using AI to sharpen its edge signals growth, adaptability, and readiness for tomorrow's industry wars, where speed and innovation win. SemiLEDs is also forging partnerships, collaborating with tech manufacturers, medical device creators, and industrial equipment firms, seeking high-quality UV and blue LED solutions. Every handshake expands reach and adds fuel to growth. Such collaborations open new distribution channels, new contracts, new verticals that once seemed distant. When multiple industries require high-efficiency semiconductors, the company becomes positioned not just as a supplier, but a necessity. Each alliance increases brand presence across Asia, North America, and beyond, building strategic bridges that could unlock revenue streams previously untouched. Investors watch these developments closely, sensing momentum. With AI integration rising and partnerships strengthening, attention turns to the stock itself. SemiLEDs Corp currently trades around 188, a number small enough to spark curiosity among those who see potential before the crowd notices. Recent market movements show volatility, but also possibility, like a spring coiling, waiting. Analysts whisper that continued technological adoption could shape performance, raising questions investors can't ignore. Imagine a future where AI boosts yield another 10%, or a new partnership opens mass-scale production. Numbers can shift quickly when innovation compounds like light through a lens, focused, powerful, and ready to ignite. No financial advice, only observation. Companies embracing technology often accelerate beyond expectations, and SemiLEDs appears to be aligning its engine toward a faster horizon than ever before. Viewers may wonder, what if today's 1.88 becomes tomorrow's story of missed opportunity? What if this stage is only the early chapters, when the world hasn't fully priced in transformation? Innovation loves momentum, and momentum rewards patience. Investors who follow early developments often witness evolution most clearly, watching sparks become beams bright enough to redefine industries. If Semi-LEDs sustains its AI roadmap, deepens collaboration networks, and keeps pushing semiconductor performance, the market may eventually reflect its climb in more than headlines, perhaps in valuation itself. This is the kind of story that markets remember: a small lab, a bold vision, technology sharpening like a blade, partnerships widening like sunrise, a narrative still unfolding, bright with possibility. Stay observant, stay curious, stay aware of every milestone the company reaches, because progression in light doesn't flicker. It builds until the world can't look away. And that moment may be closer than it seems. The future isn't guaranteed, but it glows. Semi-LEDs continues forward, fueled by innovation, reinforced by AI, strengthened by collaboration. Watch closely, because the next chapter could shine brighter than ever imagined.